Hello, this is YogeshKumar Rathod. I want to give you some information on Indian history. If interested, then listen. Maharana Pratap, he was famous for Battle of Haldigati. Maharana Pratap was from Mewar, Rajasthan. He attacked Mughals many times. He was known as Kika, means son. Another one is Guru Gobind Singh. He is famous for Battle of Chamkaur. Many few of them fought bravely Aurangzeb army. Shivaji, known as Mountain Rat, is also famous for the secret attacks on Mughals. He tear off Afzal Khan. I will give you more information later. Thanking you.